Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning, and I'm out here to go for a walk, and it's minus 29 out. It's a little chilly, yeah. Yeah, just a little bit cold. But I got my toque, then a sweater, then my little jacket. Yeah. Feel I'm dressed warm. Yeah. Just out for a little walk. Yeah, Sunday morning walk. Yeah, see? Peaceful. There's nobody around. See? Look at that big cloud of smoke over there. You see it? Yeah. It's coming from somewhere. Yeah. There, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty nice out. No wind, but it's really chilly. Yeah, really chilly today. Yeah, and there's nobody around. No. You can have your nice walk. Yeah. See? Where did I see that? See the flag? See the flag flying? That big giant flag in the park there. Yeah, that's where I'm going. I'm going that way. Yeah. There's the train bridge. There's the hospital in my town. There's the church. See? Yeah. Well, I'll continue walking. Yeah, it's nice to get out. It's pretty chilly, but yeah, it's really chilly. Yeah, look how red I am. See, that's how cold it is. You're just warm. I got a shirt, and then I got another shirt, and then I got a sweater, and then I got a jacket, and then I got my toque, and I got my gloves. Yeah, and then I got my boots all tied up. Hey, you just dress warm. You can walk for an hour. Yeah. Yeah, I usually walk for an hour. Yeah. I don't mind it. No. Yeah. So I'm gonna go down the trail here. Oops. There we go. There. See a little bit. Look how much snow it snowed again. Big piles of snow all over. Yeah. Yeah, we had a storm a couple days ago. Yeah. Maybe I can't go this way. I don't know. I'll keep walking. Yeah, I'll keep going. Yeah. See the scenery. See the scenery. The snow. Panoramic view. Oh. Yeah. Panoramic view. I'll keep walking with it. Yeah. See, it looks nice. The sky looks nice behind me. And the sides and everything. Yeah, that's where the railroad tracks are up over there. Yeah. There's the flag again. Do you see it? I'm heading that way. Yeah. I'm heading this way. That way. That's where I'm going. Yeah. Yeah. Walk a little faster again. Look at my hat. Or my jacket. My little jacket here. Yeah. going. I'm just about up to the river. I'll show you the river again. Yeah. Yeah, I'll show you the river a bit. It's still open. Yeah. I think it's still open. Last week it was open, yeah. Authorized vehicles, please stay off path. There's a sign here. I'll show you. I'll switch it. See? Well, you can't have like cars and trucks and all that on the path. No. Yeah, just for skidoos and people walking. Yeah. Yeah, that's all it's for. Yeah. There, I'm just about to the river already. Yeah, it's still open quite a bit. Holy. It never froze over this year, the river, where I live. There, I made it. I made it to the train bridge and the regular bridge. See? There's the bridge, train bridge. Oh yeah, lots of skidoos came through here, so don't have to worry. There. I'm going to switch it again, just to show you, okay? There, I'm under the bridge. See how much graffiti and all that. There's the regular bridge over there. There's the Canadian flag again. See the regular bridge. Then, oops, wait, I'll switch it back. See the water's still open over there. See underneath the train bridge? Still open, it goes all the way down there. Open water, see? Yeah. There, there I am. Then we're gonna go under the bridge here. That's how it looks, see? The ice and the water. Or the ice. Yeah, it's nice out. Yeah. Oh, path is blocked. I can't go nowhere now. The path is blocked. Yeah, I'll show you the path is blocked here. I have to go back. See, the path is all covered over, so I can't go on. Yeah, yeah. I guess that's my walk. I have to go around. There's under the bridge and all that, the ice and everything. And here's the Canadian flag. It's half-mast. It's half-mast, just flying in the wind. Yeah, that's my walk for Sunday. Yeah, just a little short walk. I'm gonna continue walking, but that's my video for today. Okay, I'll say bye. Bye. There's the flag. Bye. Whoever's watching, thank you. Bye.